In this video, I'm going to illustrate the number of ways you can switch prompting on. First of all, I'm going to load a rundown. You see the rundown is now loaded into the active run order window, the story editor window, and the prompter preview window. The first way to switch prompting on is by clicking on the prompt button. This will now display prompting in bright red. A box will appear around the prompter preview text. In the active run order window, the story which is being prompted will be red, and in the run orders, the run order which is being prompted will be red. We can now switch the prompting off by clicking on the prompting button. If you want to use shortcut keys to switch the prompting on and off, to commence prompting, click F9, and to disable prompting, click Ctrl F9. We can also initiate prompting by clicking in the active run order under the status column. Double-clicking on any story in the status column will make that the live prompted story and will switch prompting on. I can also switch the prompting on by clicking F9 or prompt from whichever position the cursor is at in the story editor. So for example, if I put my cursor on the word continues and click F9, we'll begin prompting from the word continues. If I put my cursor elsewhere in the script, if I put my cursor in the word appreciate and click F9, we'll start prompting from the word appreciate. If I want to start prompting from within a run order on a story which is not visible, there is a quick way to get to that story. So for example, in this run order, if I want to start prompting from story 10, but story 10 isn't visible, I can click in the search box in the active run order window, type story number 10, and click enter, and that will load story 10 into the preview. Now to begin prompting from story 10, I click F9.